Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really simple and easy freehand nail design. So I already painted my nails with this brownish toffee polish, and using my black nail stripe I'm just going to draw some lines. Now if you want you can use nail polish and a nail brush or even acrylic paints, but I like to use the nail striper because I have more control with doing lines. That's just my personal opinion, but like I said, you can use nail polish and a brush and it works just as well. And this is a really inexpensive nail striper. It's by LA Colors. I get it at the dollar store, and I just love working with these stripers. Now, once I was done, I'm just going to fill in some of the lines with black. Now, you don't necessarily have to use black for the design. You can use white or silver or any kind of colors that you like. Also, you don't have to use the brown toffee color. I just got this color for Christmas. I just thought it looked really pretty. But this design would look so cool with like a glitter or a hollow base. Now, like I said, take your time. This design looks more complicated than it really is, and I hope I made it simple and easy to follow. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails. See more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.